7042 2-blade paddle and 7043 blade paddle use the same motor and battery. Which one has greater tension? Do you know? You can leave a message first to guess. I'll use actual tests to reveal the answer. See if you guessed it right. Let's talk about the test equipment first. All tests use this motor, F100, 1350 kV 2810 motor. Comparative blades are Ganfeng 7043 leaf paddles and Ganfeng 7042 2-leaf paddles. The power supply used the Star Model 8000 mAh 6S and 25C batteries started testing. First, the 7042 2-leaf paddle made it just a little touching here. Then clear the zero pull value now. Start pushing the accelerator all over. The wind is very strong. Okay, now replace it with the 7043 blade paddle. Come and start pushing the accelerator. This is more scary. The wind is stronger. Okay, now I'll intercept the 7042 2-blade paddle stable. At the moment, start the calculation. Read out the reading. You can see this moment. Current voltage is 22.99 V, maximum current is 68.88 A. Force effect is equal to tension divided by power. This calculation is calculated by dividing 2826 by 1583.9. The profit is 1.7842. Note, this is just a moment of value, because the power and tension of different right gate segments are different. So the calculation of force and effect is also different. Next, I will intercept the 7043 blade paddle and start the calculation at the moment when it is stable. Read this reading. At this moment, the voltage is 23.15 V, maximum current 68, force effect is equal to the tension force, divided by power 3159 G by 1386.4 W to calculate the profit effect is 2.2786. In this way, under the same testing equipment and environment, the 7043 blade paddle has greater tension than the 7042 2-blade paddle. And this motor, F100, 1350 kV motor is equipped with Ganfeng 7040. The single cart force of 3-blade paddle can exceed 3 kilograms. If it is a 4-axis, then 4 grams is more than 12 kilograms. This is why the power of the time travel machine is very powerful. Okay, have you guessed the result correctly? But this video needs to be declared. This result is just a personal device test sharing, not a professional venue, professional instrument testing. This result is for reference only. The error will definitely exist. Finally, you can use your professional knowledge to leave a message and discuss. Share your knowledge reserves. Or what do you think of this pulling force? You can also discuss it at will. Okay, see you next video.